Facebook ads versus Instagram ads. What's better for your business? Marketers are always on the hunt for the perfect customer acquisition channel for their company. That constant search can help marketers increase their efficiency. Facebook was the first social network to surpass 1 billion registered accounts and currently sits at 2.2 billion monthly active users. Sixth-ranked photo-sharing app Instagram had over 800 million monthly active accounts. Despite the fact both are social networks that belong to the same organization, they cater to different kind of users who behave differently. The behavioral difference between Facebook and Instagram users changes the way you should think and carry out your ad management. The answer can be determined by identifying which platform will bring in the most revenue. Do research for the following 3 main objectives. 1. Reach. 2. Engagement. 3. Demographics. To identify which platform works best for your business, you need to know more about these 3 major objectives in the social media business. Reach. Instagram has more than 800 million active users on a monthly basis and around 500 million daily active users. The sheer number of users makes it ideal for businesses to boost their visibility. They also have more than 1 million advertisers. Facebook continues to be the #1 social network when it comes to reach. According to the latest research, the platform has 2.2 billion monthly active users. So, if you're looking to increase visibility alone, Facebook wins hands down. Engagement. The best part about Instagram is that it holds some of the most highly engaged users. On an average day, users share more than 95 million photos and videos. And these posts yield a total of about 4.2 billion likes in a single day. Instagram had the highest audience engagement compared to all other social networking platforms. When it comes to engagement, Facebook doesn't perform as well as Instagram. But it still has the second highest audience engagement rate among all social networks according to Lokowise. The Forrester study also supported this claim. It shows that the platform generates the second highest number of user interactions with brands. Demographics. Your choice of social networking platform depends on your target demographic. Instagram is most popular among young adults between the ages of 18 and 29. In fact, 55% of internet users in this age group use Instagram. This user base makes Instagram ideal for reaching a younger audience. Facebook is popular among online adults with 70